The Behringer XM8500 is a pretty legendary mic on this channel. I've had it for many years and it's a really popular microphone on the budget side of audio things. It only comes in at about 40 Australian dollars, and for that price you get a very solidly built metal microphone that has really good audio quality. Now, I've done plenty of tests comparing this microphone to other microphones, as well as recommending different audio setups with this microphone. But in this video, I thought it would be cool to take a look at what's actually inside of this microphone and what makes it so good. So let's get on with the teardown. So let's begin the teardown by opening up the Behringer XM8500 from the metal mesh grill. Now, when it's open, you can see the capsule here, and it does have some foam on the top of it. And on the bottom of it, it has this sort of hole at the bottom. And this hole at the bottom of the capsule actually cancels out a lot of the sound that you get from handling the microphone. Because what it does is when the sound waves come from the back of the microphone, it goes into that hole, which then cancels out those sound waves from the capsule. So that's actually a pretty smart method there used by Behringer. Then on the inside, you just have a hollow casing basically with the two wires that go straight from the XLR cable into the capsule itself. On the top of the capsule, if you do remove the foam, you can see deeper within the capsule. But other than that, there's not really much more to this microphone. So this was a pretty basic teardown. This microphone is a super simple microphone, like most handheld dynamic microphones. There's not really much to it. But in future videos, we will be taking a look at other more complex mics like the Behringer B1 and the Behringer C1. So hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, drop a like on this video. If you didn't, drop a dislike on this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.